This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment and getting the audio into the tool. Open your DAW, create a new session, and import the sample. Focus on the most identifiable melodic region. Once imported, make a short loop of 1 to 8 bars and set the session tempo to match the sample if you know it. Use a key detection or pitch plugin immediately. This gives a first-pass suggestion. Make sure to disable extreme time stretching so the original pitch remains accurate. Now dig into the analysis and verify the initial read. Use a spectrogram and a reliable pitch tracker to locate dominant frequencies and the note centers. This reveals stable pitch regions. Once done, slice the sample at transients and analyze each slice because many samples shift pitch. Compare those slices to the overall detection. Then map the prominent notes to scale patterns to find candidate keys, and make sure to consider relative minor or major possibilities, rather than finish by confirming the key and resolving issues. Load a piano or chord instrument and play simple chord progressions, like I Roman 4V or Roman 6 Roman 4I, while the sample loops. Transpose the sample in semitone steps to find the best harmonic fit. Once you've matched chords and melody, lock that key as your sample key. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by applying manual pitch correction, checking for formant shifts, or isolating frequency bands with EQ. Often noisy harmonics or heavy processing hide the true root note.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.